Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Cyrus Creations, and I believe you all are doing great. As you all know, February is just 2 days away from us, and as that is a love month because we celebrate Valentine Day, so I thought why not bring a Valentine Day project for my followers. As you can see, I have in front of me a very beautiful centerpiece, and today I gonna show you how I have made these beautiful felt felted hearts. They are so much fun to do, as you can already see. I mean, you can use for this project any glue gun, a sewing machine, or hand needle. I prefer hand needle. As you can see, they looking so pretty. It's like giving them little embroidery shape, and I already got so many compliments on that, so I thought I should share with my followers as well. So let's go ahead and start it our today project. Okay, so the things which you have needed for this project: felt blanket or felt fabric. I have a felt fabric from Walmart and I love it. I have used a lot in a couple other projects as well, and it's very cool. Then you have a need any pattern, heart pattern. You can use any size. I'm using this because I'm working on a small hearts. Then you need the tail chalk or any drawing pencil or like any thing to draw those hearts. I already cut. Then we need a scissor. I have embroidery thread here, 6 strings thread. You can use any kind of thread which you have in your hand. It's up to you, but I like to give a thicker look to my embroidery on this heart, so that's perfect for that stuff. And then we need a pillow casing filling. That's all. So let's go ahead and start our today project. Okay, as you can see, I have a 2 shapes hearts here, and simply we're just gonna lay them on top of each other. And remember, your right sides should be out because we're gonna sew on top of that, so there's no need to keep the wrong side outside. So just make sure your right side is already outer, because right side of felt is more smooth and have a neat look, so we're gonna use that one. And then I'm gonna grab my thread. I already have a thread in a needle, 6 strings. I have made a slip knot at the end as well. use this stitch. You can use from outside and you can use from inside. I have made a couple hearts using these from outer. Now I like to keep them in, which is giving a neat look. And even if you don't want to do embroidery stitch, you simply can do simple stitch, that will still popping up that red color on this pink felt. I will leave a little bit of opening for filling, so we could just gonna leave needle and thread on our side. And This is perfect project to do on this Valentine Day, and I'm sure you guys have liked this video. They are very nice for home decoration, and you can even give to somebody you love. If you really like this video, please give this video thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cyrus Creations, and I'm looking forward to bring a more DIY project for you guys. God bless you all. Have a fabulous day. Bye bye.